This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps Lifecycle. The DevOps Lifecycle is a continuous process that integrates software development team and IT operation team to enhance the collaboration between these traditionally siloed teams. This integration aims to improve the efficiency, speed and quality of software delivery. Here you can see the DevOps lifecycle. It starts with plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Then these steps will repeat. The phase 1 is planning. This phase involves defining the vision and goals of the software project. It includes requirement gathering, project management, and roadmap creation. Tools used are Jira, Confluence, and Trello. Phase 2 is coding. In this phase, developers write code based on the requirements and plans. This phase emphasizes coding standards, peer reviews, and version control. Tools used are Git, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Phase 3 is building. In this phase, code is compiled and packaged into executable files. This phase includes integrating all the code changes and dependencies into a build. Tools used are Jenkins, Maven, Gradle, and Bamboo. Phase 4 is testing. In this phase, automated and manual tests are conducted to ensure code quality and functionalities are as per the requirement. This phase aims to identify bugs and issues before the deployment. Tools used are Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, and NUnit. The phase 5 is release. In this phase, the tested build is deployed to the staging environment or production environment. This phase ensures that the deployment process is smooth and minimizes the downtime. Tools used are Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI, and Spinnaker. Phase 6 is deployment. In this phase, software is deployed to the production environment. This phase involves monitoring the deployment process and ensuring that the software runs as expected. Tools used are Kubernetes, Docker, OpenShift, and AWS Code Deploy. Phase 7 is operation. In this phase, deployed software is continuously monitored for performance, availability, and security. This phase focuses on maintaining the health of the system. Tools used are Nagios, Prometheus, Grafana, ELK stack. Phase 8 is monitoring. Continuous monitoring and logging provide insight into system's performance and user behavior. This phase helps in proactive issue resolution and system improvements. Tools used are Splunk, Dynatrace, New Relic, and Datadog. Now we will see benefits of DevOps lifecycle. The first point is enhanced collaboration. By breaking down silos, DevOps foster a culture of collaboration between development team and operation team. The second point is faster time to market. Continuous integration and continuous deployment practices streamline the development and deployment processes, which leads to quicker releases. Third point is improved quality. Automated testing and continuous monitoring ensure that issues are identified and resolved early, leading to higher quality software. Fourth point is increased efficiency. Automation of repetitive tasks reduces manual effort, which increases efficiency. Fifth point is scalability. DevOps practices support scalable environments, making it easier to manage large scale deployments. Now we will see the conclusion. DevOps lifecycle is an iterative process that emphasizes collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. By integrating development and operation team, organizations can achieve faster delivery, higher quality, and improved efficiency in software development and software deployment. Adopting the right tools and practices at each stage of DevOps lifecycle is crucial for maximizing the benefits of DevOps. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.